Hey, what's up, guys? This is Derek Collins with the Diversion Center, here to talk about how to make $100,000 or more teaching court mandated classes. Now, a lot of people don't believe that they can do this, but I'm here to tell you that you can definitely do it. If you're a therapist, if you're a counselor, social worker, if you're a LMFT, LPC, LCSW, this is definitely something that you should consider because it will bring more income into your practice. I've been doing this now for 10 years and have 5 offices surrounding Atlanta, and I can help you get started if you're interested in doing so. But before I talk about that, let me give you some of the details on how I do it. I basically have a nice website advertising my programs and provide different court mandated classes like anger management, domestic violence, shoplifting and theft prevention, ASAM level 1, uh, DUI classes, and more. You can also add mental health evaluations, anger management evaluations, substance abuse evaluations, and a whole lot more. So it's all about doing simple math. Um, Evaluations range between $100 to $200, and I tell people do the math. $385 a day is about $100,000 per year. So the goal is to make $385 per day to hit your goal. So if you do 2 alcohol and drug evaluations for $150 a piece, that will give you $300. So you're almost there. And if you do a class, let's say anger management class, let's say you charge $25 per person, 10 people in group, that's going to give you an extra $250. So right there, $250 plus $300 is going to give you $550 for the day. I run multiple classes. I run different types of classes. We do classes on Zoom. We do classes on online. So there's multiple ways to do it. You can also, once again, I talked about mental health evaluations. We charge $500 per mental health evaluation that we do at our office. I don't do them. I contract an LPC to come into my office and do the evaluations at my office. So you guys can tell it's very lucrative. There's ways to make things happen. And it doesn't cost a lot of money to get started if you're already in private practice. All you have to do is add on the services to your private practice and start working with court mandated clients. If you need paperwork, if you need workbooks, curriculum, I have that for you. I can provide you with all the materials that you need to get started. I can give you some marketing tips because unfortunately in undergrad and grad school, they don't teach us how to market our programs and get clients in the door. And that's what I'm good at. I'm good at getting clients in the door and marketing myself. So if you want to learn how to do these things that I do, stop writing a ton of notes. Stop worrying about insurance panels to pay you and get paid every single day. Hey, consider doing this. The riches are in the niches, and I can help you get started. Once again, my name is Derek Collins. You can look me up on Psychology Today. You can look me up at thediversioncenter.com or go to courtmandatedtraining.com to learn more on how to start your private practice. I guarantee I can help you get started. This is not, I'm not blowing smoke. I'm not pumping you up. This is something that I do. I've been doing for years. I've been doing this now for 10 years, and I can help you get started. I have offices in Duluth, Lawrenceville, Fayetteville, Jonesboro, and Marietta. So if you need help starting your program, I don't care if it's out of state. I don't care if you're in another city. I can help you get started. It doesn't matter where. Okay, I don't care if you're in Texas, California, New York, New Jersey, Las Vegas. I've helped people everywhere, and I'm highly comfortable in doing this work. So if you're looking for a coach that can guide you, that will help you not make mistakes and to make the right decisions and get your website and things put together to where you can get clients in the doors, hit me up. I guarantee I can help you out. So once again, my number is 404-503-8069, or you can visit us on the web at thediversioncenter.com, or go to info@thediversioncenter.com and shoot me an email, or hit me up on my personal email, dcollins@thediversioncenter.com. That is dcollins@thediversioncenter.com. I'll see you guys later.